this is a little video update on the BC Rich Platinum series. I had some work to do. I don't know if you can see it, but there's two cracks in here. There's one right where my finger is and another one down here. I sanded that so you can barely feel them. Put varnish on it. It's real nice. It's just as smooth as, actually I'd say smoother than getting it off the shelf or getting in the mail or something like that. And also I said there's a chip missing. I glued that back on. I got more sand to do on the side. And yes, this is electrical tape. Not because I'm going to be doing fret work or something like that. It's because next time I put varnish on, it won't decolor this because somebody told me about it. So I don't want to take any chances. And I think that about sums it up for the neck. Just more sanding there. The body, I didn't really do much to. I got one of the two pickups in. One of the original. And this guy, I don't remember his name, but his YouTube name was Yell Chaos. And in my previous video I asked him, not asked, but said, I think I know what kind of wood this is, and he quoted me, he said it was a birch plywood. And he also said, for some reason I don't remember making a video of it, but this BC Rich rave right here was not made by BC Rich, it was made by a he said that was birch plywood. But he said this was made of the same stuff. I don't know anything about it. I still got the original cord. I'm not doing anything with that. I got one more pickup and no ring to get. But I might just get a regular ring like this one. The only difference between this one and the one that's on here is, you see, there's two screw holes. This is the original one. And you see an extra hole. I did that on purpose. I was going to put a different pickup in it. Actually, I'll show you what I was going to put in it. I was going to put these Duncan blackout actives, but I have to customize that, the pickup itself, to get it to fit in here. Or I can do it with the body, but I really don't want to. One thing I'd have to do is fit in here, this side just fine. I'd either have to trim this part or do it in the body right here, because it won't go in. I bet you if these were in it, it would scream. Look how well we look in there though. Awesome. And if I was to put these in here, I have to find like a booster switch, because it's got a volume, pickup select, a tone, and right here for the pickups that were originally in it. I think it's for this one. Like it puts it in a series or coil taps it, I ain't sure. But if anybody knows, let me list it in there. I do have the original mech. It's right here. I just got done soldering the ground on the base here. I screwed it in, and it's not going to go anywhere. I'm not going to put it in, but I can. So that's about it. I took the tuners out because I was thinking about sanding it or revarnishing it way up here on the headset. But then I don't know, I might replace the tuners that were on here. The original ones are yeah. I'm gonna go into my guitar boneyard here. Here are the original tuners. And also that guy Yell Chaos, I think I saying his account right. He said on the raves, and I think this one, they had like a pretty good tuner made by somebody, I don't remember who. He said they were like more than the guitar himself. But I don't know anything about them. These are the original, but I had a ping tuner on because one of them is broke, or else the screw just fell out. But this piece right here that I'm holding on to is off, but the bar's still there. And the other one is on this one. So I hate making 2-minute videos. Oh, I'm gonna end this so I don't waste your time.